Hey, Zach Dobson here with our next Friday photo tip. As you can tell, we are continuing this series about shooting in extremely bright sunlight. So I picked a nice sunny day out here to show you some real world examples. So you can see there's some not so great shadows here around my eyes, and I'm squinting a lot. So really the simplest solution sometimes is just to get out of the sun and move into the shade. So you can see that now the light is nice and even. That all looks good, but it starts to get super bright in the background. That's one thing you can run into. You can darken down a little bit your exposure to try to pull some of that out and see how that starts to look. But then of course you either have to have the person's face be really dark, or you can edit it in post. Your other option is to also get a dark background like the trees here, and then that's much more even. I mean, to me, in most circumstances, this is going to be ideal. The light's nice and even, and you don't have any of that super harsh sun. One thing you want to watch, you can kind of see behind me there's those spots on the ground. There's some right here too. When you start to get them, if they're on your face, they'll start to kind of poke through and kind of have some less than ideal kind of shadows that happen. Again, so you either need to watch the ground for the shadows and find something that's completely covered, or just do that, turn around, and then the light gets better there. So there's some kind of real world examples about how you can use the shade, or kind of turning your back to the sun there to really get those to improve. There's a little lens flare if you watched our tip last week. If you didn't, check it out to learn more about that lens flare. Leave us a comment, let us know how this helped you out. Hashtag ZDP photo challenge with anything that you've shot that falls into this category, and I'll be sure to share those on my stories and get people over to check out your page as well. So thanks so much. You can download the whole series, the 5 photo tips to better midday photography, is on our blog. There's a pro tips page on the blog, and everything's right there. So thanks for stopping by, and keep it real.